All right, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. This will be a quick one, but we have a new song here on Gordon Guitar. It's called Home Alone. It's Rawayana and Mount Ricky. They do this together, and we have a 3-chord song that goes in the same way through the entire song. Very simple. String pattern, chords, everything. Let's go into it. We're going clean on the fretboard without any capo, and we're going to start with the A minor, and that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have G next, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E, and the final chord will be F, which is a bar chord where you play the bar on the first fret, you bar all strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. And that will be the chord progression, A minor to G to F. Now, the strumming pattern. So grab the first chord, which is the A minor, and you're gonna play down, up, clap, up. Okay? So down, up, clap, up is one string round. A couple of rounds to get the feeling for it goes. And so on. You're gonna play A minor, one string round, G, one string round, and F, two. From the beginning till the very end, it goes like this. Alright guys, so that covers Home Alone. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.